Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Airtel Xstream Play subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up your app or go to airtelxstream.in and to log in. Once you've logged in, we want to head over to your account or subscription section, then find your active subscription and click on manage or cancel subscription, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message or email once it's successfully cancelled. Or if you'd rather do this via the phone, we can contact customer support. So Airtel users can dial 121 from their Airtel number. Non-Airtel users can call this number. This is toll free as well. You can also send a cancellation request to support at airtelxstream.in. And we've got some important notes here too. So if you still have access to the service until your current billing period ends, make sure to turn off auto-renewal to avoid future charges. And cancelling will not automatically delete your account, but your subscription benefits will stop after the expiry.